Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Ashna Jain, associated with Winnie Immigration as an immigration advisor. So today we are going to talk about the 5 most easiest jobs that you can get in Canada. So let me start with IT jobs. I am not saying that it's very easy to grab an IT job, but jobs are in bundle in Canada. The good thing about IT jobs is that they are available everywhere, be it in a bank, insurance company, airlines, pharmaceuticals, everywhere computer is required. In fact, even schools and universities. Software is running in all computers, so the support staff is needed. Maybe in call center, in a developer, or maybe if you are in a database. Wherever you are, these big companies such as insurance companies, healthcare, airlines need IT people, and they have big offices specially for their IT people. Consider yourself lucky if you've chosen IT as your career. Now let's talk about the most important part, that is the salary. It differs from profile to profile. Generally, who is a fresher might get $60,000 or someone who is experienced might get $90,000 very easily. On an average, you can expect 70 to 80,000 easily if you have international work experience. And one more advantage, if you belong to IT industry, you don't actually require a specialized study or certification just like lawyer would need or a dentist would need. The next one is a driver's job. I am especially talking about a truck driver's job. It is a job which is highly in demand and available all over Canada. Salary they would get is $23, $25 or maybe $40 per hour. It completely depends where you are driving and what are the conditions. Let's say if you are driving from Canada to US, then you would get much more money. If you are driving locally within the city or maybe from one province to another province, then you would get good money, but not as compared as what international truck drivers get. But yet the prospects for truck drivers are really high in Canada because you only need a license. If you have a license, you can easily do this job because it's in demand all over Canada like anything. Apart from that, if you don't know to drive a truck and you know to drive a car, your prospects are really good that at least you can drive an Uber, deliver food or deliver packages for Amazon and so on. Trust me, people drive Uber or deliver food as a part-time jobs. These jobs are very flexible and high in demand in Canada, and you can get it very easily if you have driving skills. If you work full time, you can very easily earn $40,000 and $2,000 if you work part time. The next kind of jobs that I'm going to talk about is jobs in grocery stores. You must have heard that these kinds of jobs in Walmart, Metro and all such big stores. All these big stores have multiple job roles such as cashier, customer care representative, managers, team leaders, many different job roles in just one store. Why? Because people keep moving in and out, so there's always job vacancies available in every store. Yes, the salary that they might offer would be the basic salary, that is $14.25 in Ontario, which might differ from province to province. Good thing is that their interview is very easy, where they check your communication skill and ask for your introduction. The only con is that they offer low salary but still good for a student or someone who's just landed in Canada. Until he gets his core job, he can do such kind of jobs. Next job is customer service representative. So if you're facing any problem in your phone or maybe an internet connection problem, you would just call the customer care. Or maybe if you're facing problem with your billing or maybe the account, you can just call them and they'll just fix it out. Due to pandemic, many people are staying back home and they are using technology more and more. So of course they are facing more and more problems. So more people are required for customer care as well. It includes sales on call also. The best advantage is that they are offering work from home these days. In fact, Your customer service representative is available on chat also. So these jobs are really highly in demand, and they also pay you more than your basic salary, that is $17, $18, and maybe even $25 depending on your experience and the company. In this job, work experience is not mandatory to get this job. So the last and the final easiest job is jobs in food outlets. So outlets such as Domino's, KFC, Popeyes, and there are many other outlets out there. Getting a job there is very easy, and you will always find a job vacancy in one or the other stores. You would generally find that they would offer you a basic salary of $14.25 in Ontario, and which might differ from province to province. You may feel that they are very high pressure jobs because the number of customers coming in, it's very difficult to cope up with the work pressure, but many students and all those people who just landed and looking for a survival job, they would get this job very easily without even any prior experience. They will just test your communication skill, whether you can take the pressure or not, and if you can work overnight or not. So that's it guys for today. I hope you found out the most easiest jobs and jobs that are highly in demand in Canada. So see you next time.